Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vibing with the Ruger 72. Thank you for tuning in. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and consider subscribing to my channel. If you're not, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking with me all the way until 2021. So without further ado, guys, I went outside to play my lottery ticket today, and I noticed they have these new scratch off for 2021, and I was like, okay, I've not seen these before, so I decided to go ahead and try a few of them. So what I did, I got a $3 ticket, I got a $3 ticket, $2 ticket, and a $5 ticket right here. So I'm going to go ahead and do the three. I'm gonna move this to the side right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and scratch the $2 ticket first. So I'm just gonna turn it around so I can go ahead and scratch. Alright, so up top here is saying over here, so you got the winning number over here on the top here, and then these are like the number price. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and scratch. I'm gonna scratch these here first, and this is 15. That's one of the winning number is 15. Not my winning number. That's just the play number. All right, so 27, 15, and 27. All right, so let's begin. Let's see. Before we begin, here it says get a 2x symbol and instantly win double the prize. And then here at the bottom here say get that money bag, and then you instantly right here you instantly win all. Okay, that's cool. All 10 prize. All right, so let's see first prize what it is. I got 11, so there's no 11. And then the next one, let's see what the next one is. 25. And then let's see what the next one is. 26. Wow, should be a 1 there. That would be so cool. One more to 26, make 27. Alright, so now 4. Alright. And 12. Okay. So it look like there's nothing winning in the top row. So now we have one more row. So let's see how much is it in this row. Alright, so I got a 20, so no 20. I will keep going. I got an 18, so there's no 18. And I got, sorry if I'm shaking up my stuff here, guys. I got a 22 right here. This look like a 2, yes, 22. And then, I got a 14 again. If I could just add 1 to that 14, make 15. And voila! Okay, guys, so got a 27. So I don't know how much it is yet, but I got a 27 right here. So we are going to see how much a $2 ticket pay us. Whether I'm going to get a quick pick, whether I'm going to, how much money I'm going to win, I don't know yet, but let's just scratch and see how much it is. Alright, so we're going to scratch. Okay, I guess I said it. So what I did, all I did was just win a free ticket. So I basically get my money back. So I spent $2 and I get $2 back. That's all it is. So I could use this and get another ticket. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put this aside over here. And then let's try the 2021. Okay. Let's try the 2021, guys. Okay, so for this 2021 ticket, it's a $3 ticket, and it's saying match any of your numbers to any of the winning numbers. Win prize shown for that numbers. Get a star symbol, win double the prize. And also over here, right here, you have get 2021 symbol over here, and you instantly win $20. Okay, let's see if that's a winning ticket. Let's see if we got anything on this ticket. First, I'm gonna go over here and scratch these top number right there, right over here. That's the winning before I start scratching the bottom. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just clear off here to reveal what numbers underneath here. So okay. Alright, I'll leave the bonus for last. I won't scratch the bonus yet. I will leave that one for last. Alright, so it looks like we got a 2, we got 11, 20, 13, and 6. Now let's see if any of our number matches the winning number. Okay, first one at 25. So we don't have any 25. The next one is a 5, and we do not have a 5. So we move on to the next. That is a 28, and we do not have a 28. So we go over here, and we have 22. No 22. Let's see what's here. 17. No 17. And we go again, and we have a 10 and no 10. Only that could be 1 to that 10, make 11, and we will get 1 there. Okay, so we have one more row to go, and let's try again. Let's see. That's a 12. Let's see if we got 12. No 12. Minus 1. Make 11. Alright, so we don't have anything yet so far. Minus 1, I had 1. So, okay, 18. Nope, we don't have an 18 in the winning number. Alright, we're going to keep going. 23. Alright, so there's no 23. There's no 23. My table is shaking, guys, so I hope you guys could see. 27. No 27. This is like calling up bingo, right? Alright, so now you got one more. 14. No 14. Alright. Last one. 21. And it looks like there's no winning on this ticket. So basically I lost $3 there. Now probably would be better if I use that $3 and played my numbers. But you know what? I win back $2 from that one, so we see. So now we know. Okay, sorry guys, I forgot the bonus. Let's see what the bonus over here says. I'm gonna scratch the bonus right here. I'm gonna scratch the bonus. Sorry, I was scratching the wrong spot. And I got a key, so I don't know what that means. So the bonus is a key. I don't know what the key means because there's nothing that says you win anything from a key. It said if you get a star symbol, then you win double the prize. But a key, I don't know what a key means. Get a 2021 symbol. Okay, so that's not a 2021 symbol. So that's a key, so I guess that's losing. So I will put that away. We still got one more, guys. So we have a $5 ticket. The $5 ticket, let's see how much the $5 ticket is. Alright, so okay, so we're gonna start scratching that one. And the $5 ticket, he said get 2x symbol, instantly win double the prize, and get a 5x symbol and instantly win 5 times the prize shown. Okay, well, let's see. So now same procedure. We're gonna scratch the winning number first. That's a 8, a 4, 20, and the other one is 22. Alright, so now we have 8, 4, 20, and 22. Let's see if we are going to win something. We got 3 rows here to play with. Okay, 13. No 13. 36. Nope. Keep on going. 812. Nope. We are gonna keep going. At 40. No 40. No 40, guys. Alright, so let's keep going. 18. No 18. Okay, we got two more rows. Let's see. Second row, we are going to scratch. That's 38. And no 38. 32. Nope, we don't have 32. 15. No 15. And we do 24. No. 21. No. So we're down to the last row and we are scratching the last row, and that's a 16 and 1 and a 23, which we don't have, a 37 and a 7. Now guys, we didn't win anything on the $5, so we lose, basically I lose $8. If you total the $3 and that and the $5, $8. Am I saying it's wrong to play scratch off? No, I'm not saying it's wrong to play scratch off. I think scratch off is good if you just want to do it for fun, but I just rather play regular numbers. Like if I'm going to give myself a chance to win, I'll just do regular number. But would I buy scratch off again? Yes, I would buy scratch off again. I just wanted to see what the new scratch off for this 2021, if I would get any major luck on here. I've won greatly in the past with scratch off, so you know, this all depends on which ticket you buy and what time of day you buy your ticket. But until next time, I thank you guys for scratching off with Vibing with the Real Girl. See you guys next time.